Okay guys, I finally have my new Lug spring box and I'm so excited about this. So we're gonna unbox this together. I've been stalking UPS and they finally came and brought it. So here we're going to open it up together and see what goodies are inside. I cannot wait. Like, I have literally been so anxious to get this. I love surprise boxes. They make me so happy. It's like just opening up a new Christmas present. So here we go. Let's see what's in the spring Luglife box. And so this is the third box that they have come out with, and this is the third box that I have purchased. And I was not disappointed in either of the previous two that I've received. So I'm hoping that this one is going to be just as good. So let's just go ahead and open it up together. So if I can get all the tape off of this, I am so excited about this, you guys. So they had the option to do the spring box or the wild box, and I'm not much of a leopard print kind of girl, so I chose to get the spring box. And guys, it's like, I had to get one because like I do seriously have fear that I'm gonna miss out on something really, really good. So let's just see what's in the box. The box itself is so pretty. And this is about similar to the first size box that we got, but it seems like it's a little bit heavier than that first box. So let's see what all we have in here. Oh goodness, it's taped on the side too, so let me get that off. Sorry about that, guys. I was so excited and did not realize that it was taped on the side as well. So here we go. They got it taped up really, really good. All right, so let's just go ahead and open this up. So it looks like we have, I guess that is a catalog maybe, or yeah, it looks like some goodies in here. So it's a catalog I will look at later. It's really pretty heart paper. And let's just see what we have. So we have this envelope. And let's just see if there's any goodies in here. We have $25 off and another $25, and then save $50 when you spend $100. So that is what is in here. And then, oh, it has a checklist. Well, I don't want to look at the checklist and ruin the surprise. So let's just see what all we have in here. So it looks like we have some pins, Certified Lug Nut, Live Life in Color, Lucky Lugger, and it looks like the puddle jumper. So some pins in here, and then a coin pouch in Lily Black. So I don't have anything in the print Lily Black, and I actually don't have a coin pouch, so that's nice. And then it looks like we have a 3-pack notebook. Looks like it's a little bit of the buffalo check with the plaid gray, and then oh, bouquet blue. That's one of my favorite ones. And then a leopard print. So 3 notebooks in there. And then it looks like we have this little lug bag. I'm sorry I'm not looking at the camera, guys, as much. And oh my God, it's a coupe. Is this a coupe? A coupe in the new vegan leather. I'm so excited about this. And it's black. Oh my gosh, I love this. What's the lining? Okay, so the lining is that Lily Gray? I think it is. So there's the lining, and it has, looks like 2 straps. So it has your Lily Gray strap, and it has the black strap. So the black is not a leather. It is, looks like a canvas, just like the other material that's made out of. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for that. And I love that it came in a little like dust cover bag. That is so cute too. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this, you guys. So excited about this. I don't have anything in the vegan leather, so I'm really glad to try this out and see if I actually like this new fabrication. It seems really, really soft. I'm so excited about this, guys. I love the coupe. It's like my favorite. It's one of my favorites. So I'm loving this so far. So good. I'm loving it. All right, so we got your thank you and your warranty cards. Ooh, an umbrella. I don't have an umbrella, so I'm super excited to try this umbrella out too. And guys, forgive me, I'm not really much for the florals. I don't have a lot of those, so this is in the wildflower multi. I'm so sorry, guys, but I did not know what this was. So super excited about this umbrella too. There's some good stuff in here, guys. So next up, it looks like we have the puddle jumper backpack. Oh my God, I love the puddle jumper backpack. The packable one, I absolutely love it. I already have it in 2 different ones. And this is in the, I don't know what this is in. Is this a new print? Oh my God. Bear with me, guys. I'm super excited about this. This just makes me so happy. I don't know this print. Oh my God. Is this a new print that I'm like, I don't know anything about it? Let's see. Oh my God, it's beautiful though. So let's just open this bad boy up. I feel like this is a different material than the other ones are. This is a, gosh, what kind of, this is super soft, but it's not like that wipeable nylon material that all of their other ones are made out of. Oh my gosh, so we have a new print and a new fabrication, and I'm super excited. I can't stand it right now. So here is the Pedal Jumper backpack, and I have 2 of these already, but like I said, this is a completely different fabrication, so I'm loving this, and this print is absolutely gorgeous. I love this print. So is this a new print that they're coming out with in some of the other bags? Because I've never seen this before, and I am loving this, guys. Like, this has got me so super excited. So if you are not familiar with the Puddle Jumper backpack, so it zips out, and then you zip, this is where it came from, and then you just zip that up, and that gives you a pocket, and then you have your 2 zipper pockets right here with your 2 snap pockets. You have your 2 water bottle pockets, and you have this carry back. You have this carry handle that is made out of a completely different material too. It's black. It's not the same color as the fabric, and then it has some really nice backpack straps, and then when you open it up, it is just like this really, oh gosh, the inside is completely different. So on the other ones, it's like, gosh, it's like, I'm just so excited, I just can't talk. That's very rare that I just can't talk. But this is a different fabrication on the inside too. So it's more like a mesh. So that's really nice. So it's white inside with this mesh. So guys, I'm loving this print. Like, are we gonna see some other things with this print? I mean, I saw the box and I saw this and I was like really thinking that the spring might be that new hydrangea print that they have, but oh my God, the vegan leather coupe in the black, I can't help myself. And the umbrella, it's not one of my favorite prints, but I can't help myself because I don't have an umbrella. So excited to try this out. But guys, if you knew how much I love that packable puddle jumper, this is amazing. I'm loving this print so much. Like, if they come out with the other stuff in this print, I'm gonna have to have it all because it's like, you all don't understand how excited I am for this bag. This is the best one yet, and I have all 3. This is the 3rd one I've gotten, and this is the best one yet. I can't. I'm so excited about this, and I'm loving this new fabric. I just don't know what this fabric is, but I'm loving it. It's really, really, really nice. I like it. I still hope it's still the wipeable. It's still gonna be good and wipeable like the other. Let's see. Does it say anything? So is this Resort Black? Is that what this is? Resort Black, maybe? I don't know, but this, gosh, I'm excited, and there's still something else in here. So let's throw these down. All right, so I got the shirt I ordered in the holiday edition. I got the medium in that long sleeve shirt that they had, but I really wanted it a little bit bigger, so I ordered the large in this one, and I think it said like colors would be at random, so like I'm not sure because it was all I could do to stay off Facebook and not see any of these spoilers because like I really was anticipating this box so much. I'm so excited. I'm like shaking. I'm so excited about this box. Like, the smallest things can make me so happy, and like I feel like I am a kid opening up a gift on Christmas Day. This is just, I love this. I love the surprise boxes. I used to get all those subscription boxes, so I'm loving this. So I'm glad I got a large because I think a medium would have been too small for me. So here is the shirt, and I've got it in this navy blue. Like, I don't know what other colors, so now that I've done my unboxing, I'm gonna go on Facebook and see what other colors that people got. But I love this. This is so cute, and it's really, really soft too. So this is nice. I think it'll be long enough. It says find your happy place. So love it. Love this. It is so cute. So that is all that's in the box. So the box is empty. But guys, I'm super excited about this. This is so good. So we've got a shirt. So like in the holiday box, I know a lot of people were really upset about it because they felt like there was a lot of like novelty stuff, a lot of little smaller stuff. But guys, it came with a Huggy and a Chuggy. I didn't have one of those. Super excited about that. And then it came with a blanket that I didn't have. So I didn't mind that at all. It didn't come with the bag, but oh my gosh, guys, this one has 2 bags in it and an umbrella in it. And it has the new vegan leather that I'm super excited to try out. And I love this I love the Puddle Jumper packable. And gosh, guys, this is a gorgeous print. Like, I love this. Like, I want to go to Hawaii or the Caribbean with this. Like, I just want an excuse to go and have something pretty and resort like. So gosh, I'm loving this. This is such a good box, guys. I hope that you all got these boxes because, see, I would have been highly disappointed if I didn't get this because this was well worth it to me. So you've got the shirt and the puddle jumper. I wish y'all could feel this material because it's not like the other lug bags. I really, really like this, guys. And then, oh my gosh, I am so excited. This looks so bougie. I love that it looks so bougie. Like, I love the coupe so much and I love the roundabout and stuff, but this in this black leather looks so fancy, guys. It is fancy. And then I cannot wait. I could use this today because it has been raining all day long. And so I could totally have used this today. So I'm excited about this too. So these notebooks are really, really cute too. Sorry, I keep bending down, but I kind of just threw everything down at the floor so I could just see everything. These notebooks are cute. Let's just open them so we can just see all of them. So let's just see all of the different prints. So we have the buffalo check and the green plaid. Oh, and it's got lines in it. So here's the buffalo check and the plaid gray. Gosh, this one's so pretty. I just got the ranger in the bouquet blue, and that is one of the prettiest prints. I'm not really a floral person, which why did I buy the spring box if I'm not a floral person? But guys, this is so pretty, and it has that really pretty line that's in the blush pink colors. It's a pretty one. And then I'm just excited, I can't think right now. The leopard print with the gold hearts on that. So those are cute little notebooks. So I'm super excited, guys. Like, this just makes me happy. And I love that the coupe came in this dust cover. That is just so fancy too. Sorry, guys, I still keep bending over. But the lily gray, I forgot about the queen purse. So we got a queen purse and a coupe in the new vegan leather and notebooks and umbrellas and this packable jumper. I'm just like, I am so excited about this box. This was definitely worth it. So this was $149 US. I'm not sure how much Canadian dollars it was, but it was $149 US, which was what all the boxes have been. And this is definitely the best box so far. I really thought that the first one was really great because I loved my crossbody trolley and I love that rainbow navy print that we got in the eco shoppers and things. But this one by far is the best because I'm loving this. I'm loving this new fabrication. Like, this print is everything. I just want everything in this print. Everything. Like, I want dresses in this print. Like, I want a dress. And I want to go to Hawaii. I want to go to the Caribbean, and I want to take this with me because this is beautiful. This makes me just think of spring. Like, I'm so happy, guys. I'm sorry. You all probably think I'm the craziest person in the world, but this box has made me so happy. This has made my day. This is the best box that they have had yet. So I really hope they continue with these boxes because I love these surprise boxes. That's so fun to just be surprised. So here it is, guys. I could not wait. My kids are waiting on their dinner right now because I had to film this first because I could not wait to see what was in this. Like, I had to do it immediately. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope that you all got this box too because this is a great box. So I'm excited to now look and see what kind of prints were in the wild box that some of the people got. So this is great. This is really, really worth it. And so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that, guys. So this is really full of a lot of good stuff. Like, I'm so happy with everything in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end it here. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until I see you next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.